This video we are going to learn how to create Etherchannel, layer 3 Etherchannel on Cisco switches. So basically here it's my topology. I am going to create on this switch VLAN 2 and on this switch VLAN 3. So first of all, let's create our VLANs. Already you know how to create a VLAN, so I am just going to create it. And putting the ports onto the specific VLAN. And also I am going to give its VLAN IP address so that we can manage it. It's already up. So let's give the PC the IP address. I am going to use only one PC for this practical. And on this switch, I am going to create a VLAN 3. Sorry, I need to create first the VLAN. Let me check. It's already been created. It's not. So I have created the VLAN 3 with the VLAN 3 command and interface has come up. So let's move the ports. So VLAN is also up and the ports have also moved. Let's give the VLAN IP address of 192.168.3.1. So this IP will become the default gateway for the PCs. So now we have to create layer 3 Etherchannel. So to create layer 3 Etherchannel, we have to make these physical ports, layer 2 ports and layer 3 device, layer 3 ports, you can say. So to create this layer 2 physical interface into layer 3, we can use the command. First of all, select the interface and give the command no switch port. So what this command does? It's create a layer 2 head. It has created a layer 2 port into a layer 3 port. So now we can add the channel group command and we can use a number between 1 to 48 of our choice and make it static or dynamic as you wish. So for this practical, I am only using static Etherchannel. So you can see here my port channel has also come up. So I am going to create a port. I am giving it a IP address like this, interface port channel 1, and I have to give it a no switch port. So it becomes the layer 3 port, and I am giving the IP address also. So here is the config. Let us see. So we have given the port channel the IP address, not the physical interface, because if you perform routing on these interfaces, it will create a problem and you have to give the multiple IP address and multiple routes on these ports. So I have just given the IP address on bundle, and that is the reason why we are giving this, because we do not want to learn routes on multiple ports. That's why we have given the IP address on port channel. So on the second switch, we have to do the same. First of all, we need to create the routed port with this command interface range. Select the interface and give it no switch port command, and then you can use the channel group one mode. Once it is up, you can use the port channel interface and give it a no switch port and give the IP address 192.168.1.2. Basically, you can see it is a point-to-point link. So now it has been created. We can check with the show Etherchannel summary command. So it has R and U. R means it is a layer 3 Etherchannel, and U stand for in use. So these are the ports which have been bundled in the port channel. And if you want to communicate this VLAN 2 with VLAN 3, you need to enable first the routing on the layer 3 switch, because if you type here the command show IP route, you will see this error mean IP routing has not been enabled. So first of all, use this command IP routing and then add the route of the other network 3.0 and then subnet mask for the next hop. The second switch, do the same on the second switch. First of all, IP routing, and then you can add the routes 2.0 and give the IP address. So here you can see I have added a static route. Now let's ping the 2.2 PC from the PC4. So first filling will result in request timeout because the ARP has not been confirmed, and sometime it takes some time. So this is our layer 3 the channel that is working, and the routing is also working. You can check the trace route. First of all, it is going to your gateway, and then it's going to 1.1, and then it is going to your destination. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Thanks for watching.